Hey guys, and welcome back to a new tutorial video on this channel. I'm Sabi from Code Revolution. So today I will be doing an updated tutorial video for the Ebayomatic plugin, and let's jump straight into this. So to install the plugin, click plugins, add new, upload plugin, choose file, go to the zip file you downloaded, don't forget to extract it, and to get the installable zip file from the big package that you downloaded from Code Canyon, and install the zip that you find inside that package. Click install now, activate the plugin, and now you will have to add your eBay API key in the plugin. For this, go to main settings of the plugin. Here you will have to enter your eBay app ID and campaign ID. So to get an app ID, click here, sign in to eBay. If you don't have an account there, you have to create one, and here you will need to create an app and use it. So for this, here in the production, click create a key set like this, but you will have to use it in the production here, and you will get an app ID and you can use it in the plugin. So simply copy this and paste it in here. Afterwards, you can get your eBay campaign ID from here. You will need to log in and get your campaign ID. So let's enter here this, because this is my campaign ID. You can get your campaign ID from the partner network. You can select also your eBay target country and save info. Now go to search to posts, and the plugin will start again to function. So let's search for a laptop. This is just a quick example. This will not show the full detailed configuration of the plugin. And now importing is running, and the plugin already finished importing. The green check mark appeared, and our new eBay product appeared here. We can click buy now, and this already has our affiliate link, and the people who click this will allow us to get a commission on each sale we generate. Okay, so this is just the basic tutorial video on how to update, how to use the eBay app ID, which is a new feature of the Ebayomatic plugin in the v3. If you want to check a full tutorial of the plugin, check its initial release tutorial video. It will be linked in this video's description. So for this video, I am showing you guys only how to get an eBay app ID to work with the v3 of the Ebayomatic plugin. So thank you for watching until then. Until next time, have a nice day, stay safe, bye bye.